All right, welcome back to One Beer Job. I'm Justin, and today, cheers first. Today, I'm replacing a wheel stud on my wife's Grand Cherokee. How do you know that you need a wheel stud replacement? Well, I'm about to show you. Her car just felt like there was this knocking while she was driving, and we've had this once before where we took it in, and because we couldn't figure out what the knocking was, I never thought to check the lugs, but today 3 of the lugs were loose. One's completely stripped, and again, she just got new tires put on it about a month ago, so somebody didn't do their job, and somebody is going to make me have to do another job. So what we're going to be looking at is replacing this wheel stud, and I'm going to show you how it goes here in a second. Hold on. So you can see that somebody just stripped the hell out of it. Now the rest of them look pretty good, and then of course looking down into the actual lug, you could tell that that one somebody just didn't care, and that's my problem with this. All right, so I don't know how this is going to go. This is going to be something new for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this caliper. I think they're 13 millimeters screws on the back here. I'm going to take the caliper off. I'll hang the caliper up. I'll take the rotor off, and then hopefully I can just pound this out with a hammer and replace the new one in there. I know that there is a dust shield back here, but it looks like if I bring it up to a certain area, like maybe up here, I might be able to get my fingers in there and take it off. If not, I'll figure out a way. Hang on. All right, so I got the caliper off, got the rotor off. Now looks like there's plenty of space behind here for me to get to this one down here. It doesn't look like there's any pins or anything, so I'm just gonna take a BFH and pound that sucker through. Hold on. All right, I got the stud out, but I have to draw that stud all the way in right there. So what I did is, because you have this little ridge right there, I used an open-ended wrench that was wider than that piece right there, and then added some washers. And now I'm tightening this lug to pull that stud all the way through. And we're getting close. So once I have that stud all the way through, then we're good to go. So hang on. All right. So there's the stud, and it's pulled all the way through. Looks good. All right. So now we just got to put caliper back on, rotor, caliper, tire, and we're good to go. Let's see how this works. Hold on. Oh, tire's back on. Just took it for a test drive, and no knocking, no pinging. And then check the tire or the lugs again. Make sure that they were all tight, that nothing got loose. Everything's all tight. So I think we're good. So now we're at the end. So if you like the video, please like it. Hit the like button, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Again, this is just stuff that just comes up, on a daily basis. Was doing my patio cover, but this needed my attention today, so this is what we decided to do, is knock out how to do that, and how to replace a stud on a front wheel. So again, subscribe to the channel, like it, hammer it, share it to your friends, and cheers. The mountains are blue, it's cold. Justin for One Beer Job.